Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by confirming what the jagged edge is and why it happens. First, open the file and check whether it's raster or vector. Raster at low resolution creates stepped edges. Once done, zoom to 100% and mark the problem areas, and duplicate the layer so you can experiment non-destructively. Make sure to note current resolution and any compression. This lets you choose smoothing, resampling, or vectorization next, depending on whether detail loss or aliasing is the root cause. Now you'll apply targeted fixes that alter pixels without wrecking detail. Start by enabling anti-aliasing where available or resample using a bicubic algorithm. This smooths transitions. If edges remain harsh, apply a small Gaussian blur, typically 0, 5 to 2 pixels, then immediately add a layer mask to paint the effect only onto the edge. For logos or simple shapes, trace to a vector path to eliminate pixelation entirely. Once you've done this, compare against the duplicate layer to ensure clarity versus softness. Finish by restoring perceived sharpness without reintroducing jaggedness. Apply selective sharpening, use an unsharp mask or a high-pass layer at a low radius, and blend it only where detail needs emphasis. Export at the exact output resolution and test at 100% and in the final device context to confirm results. If jagged edges persist, retry from the original source with a higher resolution, rerun anti-aliasing, or convert the element to vector. If still problematic, that revectorization is your reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.